Let z is equal to 1 plus I be complex number. Then the modulus of z denoted by modulus of z is defined to be the non-negative real number root of x square plus b square. Therefore, modulus of z is equal to root of a square plus b square, and conjugate of z denoted by z bar is the complex number a minus ib. Therefore, z bar is equal to a minus ib. For example, modulus of 3 plus I is equal to root of 3 square plus 1 square is equal to root of 10, and modulus of 2 minus 5 I is equal to root of 2 square plus minus 5 whole square is equal to root of 29. 3 plus I bar is equal to 3 minus I, 2 minus 5 I bar, 2 plus 5 I minus 3 I minus 5 whole bar is equal to 3 I minus 5. Observing that multiplicative inverse of the non-zero complex number z is given by z bar minus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus ib is equal to a by a square plus b square plus I minus b by a square plus b square is equal to a minus ib by a square plus b square equal to z bar by z modulus of z square, z modulus square, z bar by modulus z whole square. Therefore, uh, uh, z into z bar is equal to z modulus whole square, z modulus whole square, z bar is equal to z modulus whole square. Furthermore, the following results can be easily be derived for any two complex number z and z2. We have modulus of z into z2 is equal to modulus of z into z modulus of z2 modulus of z1 by z2 is equal to modulus of z by modulus of z2. Provide z modulus of z2 is equal to not equal to 0, modulus of z2 is equal to 0, mod z1 into z2 bar is equal to z1 bar z2 bar, z1 plus or minus z2 bar is equal to z1 bar plus or minus z2 bar, z1 by z2 bar whole bar is equal to z1 bar by z2 bar. Provide z2 not equal to 0.